morning, children. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn 5th standard Social Science Term 2 Unit 1 Ancient Excavation Part 2. Come, children, let us recap what we have discussed in the previous class. Do you remember what is excavation? Children, what is excavation? Excavation is a controlled exploration of what lies under the surface of earth. Children, we also learn about archaeologist. Who is an archaeologist? Archaeologists are the people who study the history of humans and places through excavation and analyze the artifacts. Do you remember what are called artifacts? Artifacts are the things that archaeologists find during excavation. What are called artifacts? Artifacts are the things that archaeologists find during excavation. In this session, we are going to learn about pyramids in Egypt and Indus civilization. Let us learn some interesting examples of excavation from the world. First one is pyramids. Pyramids are huge tombs of Egyptian kings. Let us spell the word pyramids. P-Y-R-A-M-I-D. Pyramid. P-Y-R-A-M-I-D. Pyramid. It is one of the greatest historical mysteries. Egyptians believed that there is a life after death. So they wanted to save dead body after burial. That's why they preserve the body in the form of mummies. They apply oil and some mixture and preserve it. When the pyramids were excavated, it was found that the small pyramids were made for the queens. They found huge tombs with superstructures which were built for the burial of the royal family. That is for kings. So, kings and queens were buried in the pyramids. Skeletons found in the pyramid gave information about the average height and age of the people. So, with the help of skeleton, an archaeologist tell about the period of the people. Okay, children? So, pyramids were built as a burial place. Is it clear, children? Next, we are going to learn about Indus civilization. Indus civilization is the name of the site. What do you mean by civilization? A civilization is a complex human society which has its own highly developed culture and way of life. Sites of Indus civilization is located in the northwestern part of the India. The important sites of Indus civilization are Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Indus civilization is also called as Harappan civilization because Harappa is the name of the first excavated site. Indus civilization is also called as Harappan civilization. This was the first site to be excavated in the early 20th century. Baked bricks were found underground. The city had a well-planned proper sanitation systems, proper well and a way to direct wastewater to closed drains. There were advanced granaries, great bath and protective walls. It was found that the city and its civilization were very advanced for their time. Okay, children, let us learn about the features of Indus civilization. Indus civilization is said to be urban civilization because there were well-conceived town planning. First feature of Indus civilization is Great Bath. The Great Bath was a large rectangular tank in a courtyard. It is like a swimming pool. It is located in Mohenjo-daro. The bath was lined with bricks coated with plaster. There were steps on the north and south leading into the tank. There were rooms on three sides. Water was drawn from the well located in the courtyard and drained out after use. Next feature of Indus civilization is the Great Granary. The Great Granary. It is a storage place. Granaries were used to store food grains. The remains of wheat, barley, millets, sesame and pulses have been stored here. Okay children. Next feature is streets and houses. Houses were built on both the sides. See the picture children. Houses were either one or two stories. The houses were built using baked bricks. Most of the bricks were of uniform size. Roofs were flat. Next feature of Indus civilization is drainage system. They had covered drains. The drains were covered with slabs or bricks. Each drain had a gentle slope so that water could flow. Holes were provided at regular intervals to clear the drains. So, Indus civilization is called as urban civilization. Okay. Let us watch one video which helps us to understand clearly about the lifestyle of the Indus people. Okay children, let us watch now. Thank you for attending the class, children. Bye.